Changing language on the Bank of America app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open your web browser and type in bankofamerica.com in the search bar. Once you're on the Bank of America website, look for the language section. So if your preferred language is currently set to en Español, you can click on it to switch to English. If you want to switch back to your previous language, just click on en Español again. Now let's customize your browser settings. Click on the three dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Languages. Now scroll down to Add Languages section and click on it. Here, you will see a list of different languages. Select the language you want to add by clicking on it, and then click on Add. The language you selected will now appear in the list of languages. To translate the page, open the Translator tool. In the Translator, you can write in any language, and when you click on Translate, the page will be translated into the language you wrote. If you want to switch back to English, you can do so from the Translator tool. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on the Bank of America website and explored the translation feature.